In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Exness Trade app. So if you are having challenges with your app, maybe the app is not opening or it keeps on stopping or crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this for once and for all. Now, if you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. It really helps me. So to get started, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this Exness app. In the first method, we can go ahead and clear the app data. And to do this, we need to access the app information page. Now to do this, first go to settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps, and here it is. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Android smartphone. This is Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So you'll see under apps here, we shall have this option called manage apps. On some smartphones, it might be written all apps. So go ahead and tap on it. And this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. So scroll down until you see your app, or you can as well search for your app here. So here's my app, and I'll proceed and tap on it to open. Now you see we have the app information page here. And this is where we shall do the troubleshooting. So if you found it hard to get to this page, or if this was a long process, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. Now from your app here, just go ahead and long press on it like this, and then you'll see this page called app information page or app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, you'll see it will still take us to the app information page that we wanted. So from here, if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of cached information or cached data and also user data. So one of the reasons why your app is misbehaving or is malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of this cache data. So when you talk of cache files, we are simply talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it. And these files are normally stored to enhance the performance of the app. Now the problem is when these files accumulate, they might also be a problem and cause the app to malfunction. So what we need to do is to go ahead and clear all this cache data, and then our app should be up and running. To do so, just head down here and you'll see we have this option called clear data. If you tap on it, we have two options: to clear data and to clear cache. So tap on clear cache and then proceed to tap on OK. And then this will go ahead and wipe now our cache data. At this point, go and restart your smartphone and then try opening it. This should have fixed most of the problems that you are encountering with your app. However, if this did not solve your problem, then you might need to go ahead and clear all the data by tapping on clear all data. And when you tap on this will go ahead and wipe all your login details and the database, and then you'll have to log in afresh. You have to note that also cache will be deleted permanently from your app. However, I normally recommend this to be the last option if you don't want maybe to log in afresh. But if you're okay with it, just proceed and tap on OK, and then try logging in to your app. And at this point, now it should be working just fine. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge with your app, then you might need to go to Google Play Store and use the third and final method to resolve any issue with your app. So if you go to Play Store and then search for the app, and then look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of this app, and you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this will fix all the bugs or any challenges you are experiencing with this app. So go ahead, if you have the option to update, go ahead and update it, and then this will give you the latest version of Exness Trade app. For my case, I cannot update it because I already have an updated version of this app. From here, proceed now and tap on it to open, and now start using the latest version of this app. So by using any of the three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your app and get it running smoothly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.